how it's done. Okay, so a couple of guys wanted me to film this. Got a whole bee suit off of Amazon. Everything taped up, front seam, got that thing pulled down in front of me, ankles. I don't know, we're gonna try to get them out. They seem pretty calm right now, but I got some rakes, and I got some pesticide, wasp killer. I'm gonna piss them off really good. I got this shiesty thing on. I got the back of my head taped in case I try to sting through the back. I don't know how good the suit is, but I got long sleeves, I got pants, I got wool socks, and I got muck boots on. My big thing is I just wanted to keep my face away from the screen here in case they try to sting me through there. So I think as soon as they start landing here, I'm probably going to be holding my face back, but I taped this down to kind of pull it forward. I already let the neighbors know. Stay inside. Dogs are inside. Let's kill some wasps, or they're going to kill me. I'm going to start raking some of the leaves out from under there. Okay, here we go. Start coming out soon, I imagine. It's so scary. Oh my god, what am I doing? Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh, they are yellow jackets. Yeah, it's definitely probably a ground nest under there. Oh shit balls, those are yellow jackets. Dude, where's the football? Holy shit. This ain't no joke, dude. Keep on going. Oh. Oh my god. They're so close to my face. Oh my god. Look at them all. Look, it stung my glove. Thank God I taped this thing up, dude. Holy shit. They're on the phone too. Oh my god. Yeah. Yeah, they're trying to get me. This is kind of scary. See them? I haven't gotten stung yet, so that's good. That's crazy though, because they stung me through my pants, and I figured I'd have some stingers on me, but maybe I did, I don't know. Where's that coming from? Yeah, they kind of... They know where to go to get you. They definitely know where to go. How's your Sunday going? It's been buzzing. It's been great. The mask, like the mesh, is a really good idea because they're going right for my face. See? It is. Oh god, that scared me. Whew. I think that residual venom's starting to kick in a little bit where it got me. Okay, so I'm going to use a rake. I'm going to use a rake to try to get that nest out, and then I'm going to just stomp on it like I'm river dancing. Oh my god, there's a queen! I got the queen! I got the queen, yeah! Holy shit! Woo, they don't like that! God damn, brothers. This shit is no joke. Let's see if we can see her. There she is right there, this big one. I got her. I was like, that's a big ass hornet. That's not a hornet. That's the queen. And I just killed the whole nest. Oh, there's one on my phone. Woo! Okay. Now that the queen's taken care of, let's get to work. She is. That's what a queen yellow jacket looks like. A big, I mean, there's probably another 1/4 inch of her over there somewhere. Yeah, so if anybody needs any bee removal, let me know. I'm your guy. I can't even tell if they're still on me or not. See anymore? My arms. On my back. Is there one on my back? Can't tell. Yeah, they just kind of gave up. As soon as I stomped the queen out, I just saw this big bee, or wasp, whatever a yellow jacket is. And it was like, oh no, I just disturbed a hornet's nest. It was not a hornet, it was the queen yellow jacket. And she gone. Smashed her into, I think what they call smithereens. I've never done this before, by the way, so if I can do it, you can do it, but do it at your own risk. Again, taped up here around the wrist. Make sure you get the mesh on the glove. Tape that up. It's pretty thick, but then get through it. Long sleeve. Make sure the gloves go underneath because they go up to about here. Tape it up really good all the way to the leather. I taped my mesh forward so it wouldn't come to my face and they could sting me in the nose, because that's right where they went, and I knew they would because I'm breathing and they detect that carbon dioxide. And yeah, and then around the ankles, make sure it's really stuck down. Do a pull test on all your shit, and wear some thick boots. These are like waterproof boots. Don't come out here and no sneakers, because they can get in them somehow, I'm sure. Yeah, thanks for watching. This is Degreeless Engineering, a channel where we engineer using experience. And we don't always just work on cars and 3D printers. Sometimes we work on beating some bees' asses. Thanks for watching. Now I just gotta put all this shit in bags. All of them in the suit, I guess. I'm gonna spray some pesticide around. It's so hot. Could be worse. Could be hot and getting stung by bees. Found the nest. I think we're just going to grill this up tonight. Side of asparagus.